All right, guys, how's everyone doing? It's Wednesday night. It's time for the break. Everyone go over the teams really quick. I mean, the drivers really quick. This is all the drivers that were sold. I listed a ton of drivers, had a bunch that didn't sell, but that's okay. Here is all the drivers that did sell. All right, close this up real quick. The 7 boxes here. We're gonna do. Let's go ahead and start with the select, just to kind of even it out. All right. Good luck. It's been super busy, so didn't get to do it early. Alright, empty box. Neighbors out there honking at somebody. Here, let's scoot this stuff over. Alright, good luck. Pack 1. Pack 1, box 1 of select. Clint Boyer. Chase Elliott. Got a Bubba Wallace, Silver Prism. Dale Earnhardt Jr. and Harrison Rhodes. Got Ryan Sieg. Brad Keselowski. Got an Eric Jones, Silver. And our first autograph is Alan Day. Numbered 47 of 50. Alan Day. Casey Kane. Get this offloader. Alright. As always, hit recap at the very end. Ryan Siege. Cole Custer. Got a Brad Keselowski to 299 for Tony. 34 of 299. Speed Merchants as Dana Suarez and a Kyle Larson. The Brad to 299. Brandon Jones. Matt Tift. Got a John Hunter Nemechek to 99. 8 of 99. Door number. Speed Merchants of Kyle Larson and a Matt Kenseth. John Hunter won Martinsville on Monday. And they had a snow out. It's pretty cool to see, actually. I mean, that they never expected that. Casey Kane, Kaz Gralla, Ryan Sieg, Silver Prism, Rusty Wallace, Select Stars, Ross Chastain. Should have a hit. Got Chase Elliott, Danica Patrick, Jimmy. Got a Kaz Silver and a Denny Hamlin Select Sheet Metal. First hit. Nope, second hit. Almost forgot the day auto. Silver Prism. Trevor Bayne. Danica. Got a Chase Elliott to 299. 269 of 299. Trevor Bayne and Kyle Busch. All right. Should be a hit. Brad. Bubba. Jamie McMurray. Got a Jamie McMurray Silver Prism. And Selects Watches Red. Greg Biffle to 99 Fire Suit. Sorry it took an extra day or two to get out last week's break. My local shop was supposed to close on the 1st, but they went ahead and closed about a week early. They are no longer in business. Eric Jones, Greg Biffle, got a William Byron blue to 199. It's for Curtis. Speed Merchants of Kenseth and Adele Jr. Alright, another hit. Joey Logano. Brennan Poole. Jimmy Johnson. Got a Casey Kane for Rich Loss. And then we get this card almost every time. Clint Boyer, Danica Patrick. Duel. That's numbered 195 and 199. Clint Boyer won this week. 14 car back in victory lane. Been a while. We'll rain them at the end. 2 packs to go. Reed Sorensen, Jim McMurray, got a Casey Kane blue to 199. Del Jarrett and Daniel Suarez. All right, there's the Kane. And on our last pack, it seems like it's going to be a memorabilia auto. Okay, we got a gold coming up, it looks like. Daniel Suarez, Dakota Armstrong, Chris Buescher, 10 of 10, gold. Got a Danica Silver and a Bobby Labonte dual relic autograph. Nice pack right there. If you're buying single packs, that's the kind of pack you want. Got 3 solid cards in it, if you count the silver. And a gold. Chris Buescher. Alright, 1 box down and 1 gold, so you can't beat that. We'll go ahead and do an absolute. Mix it up a bit. Yeah, been a pretty crazy week for boys sick. Had bronchitis and then a terrible reaction to his antibiotic. So we've been super busy. We cannot catch a break in this house. Pack one. Everything was going smooth on the antibiotic, and then pack two. Next thing you know, he's breaking out. I had to go to the med check. It took me a while to email a few of you back. Apologize. Like I said, I was running around with my head cut off for a few days. Alright, there we go. Got a thin pack. We got a Danica Precision, Cameron Haley, Jeff Bodine, Joey Logano to 299, and then numbered 77 of 99, Kerry Earnhardt. Looks just like his old man. Pack two. Got a Precision, number to 199, Dale Earnhardt Jr. Kevin Harvick, Trevor Bayne, Derek Cope, Tools of the Trade, Denny Hamlin. We get this card almost every time. Race used tire. Richard Petty, action packed. Donnie Allison, Kyle Busch, Rusty Wallace to 299, and Daniel Suarez, Matt Kenseth. Doing that random at the end. That is not numbered. Got stuff sticking to me. It looks like, I don't know, got a hit. Obviously. Number to 199, Icons, Dale Jr. Danica, Bobby, AJ Allmendinger, and 13 of 25. 3-color. Fire Suit Auto, 13 of 25, Kyle Larson. Got those at a discount. Nice hit. Alright, we'll actually go ahead and get the other Absolute out of the way really quick. It's just so much packaging, and then we'll move on to Torque. One, two, three, and four. All right. Got a Matt Kenseth action packed. Kyle Busch. Ryan Newman. Matt Kenseth to 299. And then we have a numbered 1 of 10. Kevin Harvick, Clint Bowyer. Logo patch on the Harvick and 2-color on the Bowyer. That's 1 of 10. Will be random at the end between, I believe, sure it's Joe Rockhead and WMLS. Getting stuff sticky. The cellophane is so sticky. Got a Keselowski to 199. That's for Tony. Brandon Jones. Terry Labonte. Casey Kane. We have a triple. 32 of 35. Triple relic autograph, Austin Dillon. Austin Dillon triple. All right. I see Bill Elliott. Icons, not numbered. Todd Gilliland. Matt Kenseth. Clinton Bowyer to 199. And then we have a Kelly Earnhardt. Absolute ink. The final pack of Absolute. Alright, let's see here. Number to 99, Jimmie Johnson. Precision. Danica. Got a William Byron rookie card. Cale Yarborough. And again, number to 99, Denny Hamlin. Get a ton of those ones. Better get a sleeve for top loader for it. Alright. We'll move this stack of base. Then we'll get into a torque. Alright. Empty. Alright, pack one, it's a fat pack. Super fat. Got Kevin Harvick to 149. Matt Kenseth to 199. Dale Jarrett. Jimmie Johnson. Brandon Gaughan. Greg Biffle. Kyle Busch. Got a Matt Tifft Artist Proof, 17 of 75. And then number to 49, you got a Brad and Joey duel. Get my thick top loaders out in a minute. Just sit over there until then. All right. Ryan Reed, Joe McMurray, Number to 99, Chase Elliott. Clear vision. Danny Chocolate Myers. Ricky Stenhouse. Brad. Clint Boyer. Got a Jeffrey Earnhardt. Primary paint. Number to 100, Greg Biffle. And Brett Bodine. Brett Bodine. Alright, next pack. Another fat one. It's fat. Let's see here. Alright. Matt Kenseth, Superstar Vision. 78 of 99, Rookie Scripts, Eric Jones. Denny Hamlin. Daniel Hemrick. Kyle Busch. Eric Almirola. Danica Patrick. Got a Richard Petty, 53 of 99. Got a Ryan Newman, gold, and Kyle Busch, sheet metal fire suit. All right. Let's see here. All right. I got Brad Keselowski to 199. Joey Gase. Kevin Harvick. Mark Martin. Trevor Bayne, numbered 9 of 25. Bill Elliott. Denny Hamlin. Brandon Jones. Number 9 of 10. Danica Patrick. 9 of 10. Nice low number. Then we got a Danica hit coming up behind it. What could it be? What could it be? There's the 9 of 10 Danica. And number 14 of 50. Jumbo Relic Autograph. Number 14 of 50. There it is. All right, final pack. Trevor Bayne, Austin Dillon. Daniel Hemrick to 149. Jimmy Johnson. Clint Boyer. Brandon Poole. Denny Hamlin. Denny Hamlin running order. Not numbered. Numbered 121 of 150. Danica Blue. And 33 of 49. Ken Schrader. 33 of 149 with a Ken Schrader. Nice low number Danica. Let me get some more sleeves really quick. Alright. And we'll finish it off with the torque. We'll go ahead and get the torque done. I'm telling you what, guys. The mixers never really fill because people want the case breaks, but I swear It seems like the mixer breaks always have a ton of quality hits. Empty. Alright, here we go. Pack one. Rodney Childers, Jimmy Johnson, Chase Elliott, Martin Truex Jr., number to 99. We got a Terry Labonte, Brad, Joey, and then number to 150, we got Brandon Poole, and then we have a Tyler Reddick quad, 46 of 49. Quad relic. Alright. Sorry about that. I had to get some more sleeves out. Here we go. Got Chris Buescher, 199. Dale Earnhardt Jr. Got William Byron, rookie. Gray Galding, Track Vision. Danica. Clint Boyer, Kurt Busch. Got Casey Kane, not numbered. 72 of 75 is a Ty Dillon, and then we have 11 of 50. Fire Suit Signatures, Garrett Smithley. I'm pretty sure someone got him on the cheap. Garrett Smithley. Alright, next pack. That's another fatty. We got Chase Elliott to 149. Matt Kenseth to 99. Getting a ton of Kenseth numbered stuff. Denny, Martin, Jimmy, Justin Allgaier, Chase Elliott, Joey Logano to 99. Trevor Bayne, and a dual. 33 of 49. Fire Suit Metal. Chase Elliott. Here's a fat pack. Some kind of memorabilia coming up. 14 of 49. Superstar Vision, Kyle Busch. Kevin Harvick, Ty Dillon, Kevin, Gralla, Danica, Menard, Newman. Number 200, Kevin Harvick. Number 5 of 51. 3-color sheet metal auto, Joey Logano. Nice looking piece. Number to 51. All right, one more pack. All right. We got our rookie scripts of Daniel Suarez to 199. Joey, Greg, Kyle. And got Jim McMurray, number 2 at 150. Is Eric Jones, and we get this every time. Uh-oh, 7 of 10. Elliott Sadler. I think you paid $1.50, $2 for that spot. I think that pays for it. That is seven of 10. All right, and we got 2 boxes left, and they're select. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Pack 1. And there's a hit. Got Martin Truex Jr. Casey Kane. Got a Bobby Labonte Select Stars White Prism to 50. Brad Keselowski, silver. And Austin Dillon Selects Watches Blue. That is 31 of 199. And we had the Bobby Labonte to 50. Kind of used a bad picture of Bobby. Let's knock this side pile out first. Justin Allgaier, Cole Custer, Dale Jarrett. Looks like we have another white prism. 27 of 50, Ryan Newman. And we have a Speed Merchants at Danica. Another white prism, Ryan Newman. Alright, should be a red relic in here. Could kind of see it. Kevin, Ryan, you got a Joey Silver. And then numbered to 99, Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Austin Dillon, Ty Dillon. Got a Dakota Armstrong to 299. Carl and Eric. Danica Patrick, Reed Sorensen. They got a Danica to 199. Speed Merchants, Eric Almirola, and a John Hunter. Got the Danica. Oops. Chase, Jamie, and looks like we're gonna have just the silver. Kyle Busch, not numbered, and then the up close of Chase Elliott. That kind of threw me off there, the Chase Elliott did. I seen the weird looking border. I got a red, white, and blue coming up. Got Michael Annett, Eric Jones, Tyler Reddick. Got a Ty Dillon, 257 of 299. And a Martin Truex Jr. Alright, there's something red coming up. I see it. It's a hit. Alright, we got a hit coming up. Joey Logano, Ryan Newman, Cole Custer. Denny Hamlin, and then numbered 1/25. Dale Jarrett, endorsements auto. 1/25. I knew I seen something red. Dale Jarrett. Alright, should be a hit. Paul Menard, Danica Patrick, Danica, Dale Earnhardt Jr. Silver, 13/24. Paul Menard. Tie-dye, Relic Auto, 13/24. Paul Menard. Jimmy, Kurt, Blake Cook, Silver, Austin Dillon, and Ryan Blaney. Alright, should be our last hit. Dale Jr. on the back, Daniel Hemrick, Martin Truex, Kevin Harvick, Silver, and then a red of Jimmy Johnson /99. Really quick. Need more top loaders. Alright. Scoot those over. Got Elliott Sadler, Ricky Stenhouse, got a Reed Sorensen blue /199. Ryan Blaney and AJ Allmendinger. Move this to the pile of base, and then we'll get into the next box, the final box. Alright, here we go. Final box. If you haven't got anything yet, good luck. Appreciate each and every one of you guys getting in. Gonna get this stuff shipped out very quickly. It's Wednesday. I'll get it shipped out by Friday night. I assure you. Empty. Got to get my supplies from Amazon since my shop is no longer in business that I used to get all my supplies from. So, Ricky Stenhouse, Kyle Larson, you got a Danica Silver, a close, a Brad, and a Joey. Jimmy McMurray, Eric Almirola, you got Chase Elliott, and a Mike Wallace red, 2/25. Martin Truex Jr. The Chase Elliott was a silver prism. We got a black. We got a black coming up. Darrell Waltrip, John Hunter, Matt Tifft, Austin Dillon, and a Martin Truex Jr. 2/3. 2/3. Martin Truex Jr. Nice. Discounted him at the end too. Martin Truex Jr. Oh, well, we got something shiny coming up. Chase Elliott, Trevor Bayne, Ryan Reed, got a Kyle Larson silver, and a Elliott Sadler to 199. Select swatches. 12 of 199. Brandon Gaughan, Bill Elliott, got a Casey Kane to 199. It's for Rich Loss. Dell Jr. and Michael Annette. Kurt Busch, Chris Buescher, got a Matt DiBenedetto Prism, and number to 25, Herschel McGriff. Red Prism and a Blake Cook. So that's 2 red autos and a black in this box. Martin Truex, Elliott Sadler, got Danica to 299. 22 of 299. Speed Merchants of Newman and Kevin Harvick. Gray Galding. Thought that had 2 cards. It was felt thick. David Reagan silver. Got a Brad Select Stars and a Justin Allgaier. Alright, getting down to the end here. Got a hit coming up. Matt Kenseth Silver Prism. I only have a Danica Kurt Busch to 199. That'll be in the random, and a Paul Menard. Brandon Jones, Matt Tift, got a Tyler Reddick to 299. Trevor Bayne and a Ryan Blaney. I'm pretty sure that one has to hit, so save it for last. Trevor Bayne, Danica Patrick, Brandon Poole to 199. Kevin Harvick and AJ Allmendinger. Alright, should have a hit. Dell Jr. on the back. Clint Bowyer, Chris Buescher, Casey Kane, and number to 199, Cole Custer. Swatches. Alright, and we'll do a recap and do these randoms in just 1 second here. I gotta plug my computer in before the battery gives out. Alright, we'll do the recap and then we'll determine how many times we're gonna do the random. All that good stuff. Alright. Break it down into autographs and memorabilia cards. we'll start off with some of the inserts. Have the William Byron to 199. Chris Boucher to 10. Danica Patrick to 10. And this is just the low numbered inserts. And we have the Martin Truex Jr. Black to 3. '99 Relic Greg Biffle. Denny Hamlin. Sheet metal. Got the random this one at the end, number to 199, Clint Boyer, Danica Patrick. Had a Denny Hamlin tire. Matt and Daniel Suarez duel. Way to give that one away. Number to 99, Tools of the Trade of Denny. Kyle Busch duel to 499. Tyler Reddick quad to 49. Chase Elliott duel to 49. To 99, Ricky Stenhouse Jr. 199, Austin Dillon. 99, Jimmy Johnson. 199, Elliott Sadler. They have a Danica and Kurt to 199 to give away. Cole Custer to 199. And that number to 10, 1 of 10. Dual patches we got to give away. And then we had the Brad and Joey dual to 49 to give away. Go 2, 3, 5. Get randoms. Autographs. Ken Schrader to 49. Alan Day to 50. Bobby Labonte. Dual Relic Auto. Kerry Earnhardt to 99. Kelly Earnhardt. Brett Bodine. Garrett Smithley to 50. Dale Jarrett to 25. Paul Menard, Relic Auto to 24. Tie-dye. Mike Wallace to 25. Herschel McGriff to 25. Elliott Sadler, 7 of 10. Joey Logano to 51. Danica Jumbo to 50. Tire. Austin Dillon triple to 35. And the Kyle Larson number 13 of 25. So you gotta think, guys. Spots were relatively cheap because it's a mixer break. A few of you guys did extremely well. Alright, let me get the random set up really quick. And then we'll do the randoms. Alright guys, I'll do the dice rolling 4 times. So that means all the randoms are going to be done 4 times. Alright, the first random we're going to do is for the Brad and Joey. Just making sure everything was working. Alright, 4 times. Whoops, sorry. Alright, 4 times. It's for the duel to 49 of Brad and Joey. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th, and final time, Joey Dono. Right here it says 4 times. Alright, so that one's going to Joey. Next up, we're going to do the Danica Kurt Busch. Number to 1 to 99. Alright, 4 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Kurt Busch. Alright, next is going to be the Danica and Clint Bowyer. One, 2, 3, and 4th and final, Clint Bowyer. Alright, it's going to Joe Rockhead. Next up, it's going to be the Daniel Suarez and Matt Kenseth. One, 2, 3, and the 4th and final time, Matt Kenseth. Alright, we got one more, and it's the dual logos, Bowyer and Harvick. It's a nice card. Clint Bowyer. I try to keep them in alphabetical order, so that's why Clint's first. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th and final time. This is for the numbered 1 of 10 dual patches. Clint Bowyer. Alright, guys. That's everything I got, guys. I appreciate it as always. I'll get this stuff out to you guys immediately. Thanks as always for joining. Until next time.